But Jags, how's the Mabitsela twins doing? When last did you see them?
I last saw them when they were in Durban about 3 months ago.
Where do they stay now?
Yo, bro,
Hey,
I don't know.
if you disclose, Chief, you're gonna be arrested.
They stay
No,
in
what
Durban.
I mean disclosed. I'm not talking about house-wise. I'm talking about location. Like if somebody asks me, I just say undisclosed location.
Yeah, they stay in Durban.
They are
That's
in
what
Durban. They are in Durban.
that's what they post. They stay in Durban.
Okay.
Yeah, they are in Durban.
Yeah. I mean, why are you laughing? My girlfriend is busy laughing.
They are in Durban. How the fuck are they in Durban and Jags? You last saw them 3 months ago.
Because
Chief,
we're not friends. How are we friends? We're not friends. We are not friends now.
That's the caption right there, bro. That's gonna be the caption. Jags is no more friends.
We're not friends now. Yeah, person visits their friends, Bella. Simple. Must be friends. But the Jaguar is switching sides. What sides?
What sides? What
What
sides?
sides? Being
Bro,
a business
everyone has their own vision and different goals, bro, and everyone's on their own
being
path.
a business partner with a person means you are friends. I guys rest.
There's friends and then there's business partnerships.
He says he fought with the twins. Who said that? I will never fight with people that are younger than me. I'll fight with adults.
How old are you now, Jags?
Yo,
I'm
Jags is a grandpa, bro. What the fuck?
26 now. I'm old. You see, I'm
26.
old. Yeah, I'm 26 now.
Oh, dog, you have skipped. You have skipped half of 50.
Yeah, imagine being 26 and fighting with 23-year-olds. I rest, man. Like, doesn't make
sense.
Yeah, a big man now.
Yeah. So much respect.
Andy, when were you born?
Me?
Yeah.
1992.
Never. Rest in peace, man. Rest in peace.
I'm joking, bro. I was born
98.
People keep on saying Jaguar one day also. There is no story you'll ever get. I've declined 4 interviews already. They even promised me a bottle of Henny. I still declined. So you guys are not gonna get shit from me. You're never gonna get shit. I'm not the type of guy that will be going live talking about people who made me to have a career. They helped me to have a career. I have a career now. So you're not gonna see me now going live and saying, hey, guys, relax.
Yeah,
Rest.
But that's a new thing in SA, bro. He's getting on these new podcasts and interviews and.
I mean, you see, probably when you see me on a podcast, you'll see me after I've achieved everything I want. Because I wanna be showing screenshots. I wanna be showing videos. I wanna be showing conversations. You see, right now I'm still in a hustling mode. Once I'm done hustling, once I'm probably staying outside of the country, I'll go to a podcast of that guy. Who's that guy? Morgan. What's that guy? Morgan.
Yeah.
Morgan Paul.
Morgan Paul.
I'll be doing.
But Jags, you say if you stay out of the country, right? Where in the world would you like to stay? Like Europe, Eastern Europe, South America?
According to me, I know it's a shitty country, but I'd love to stay there. London, bro. It's a shitty country, but I'd love to stay in London.
In England, bro. Dang.
It's a shitty country, but I'd love staying there.
Yeah, but why would you love it then if it's a shitty place, bro? England is like, I feel like England's overhyped.
It's overhyped and it's a shitty place, but at the end of the day, one thing I know for sure, the bag would be better.
Yeah, because of the pound.
Exactly, because of the
pound.
But
you must remember the cost of living there is extreme.
Hey, figures in runner of that. Hey, Zakala, man.
No, it's Wi-Fi. It's the trip.
Yeah, it's starting to tweak now.
Let me see. You're probably gonna request again. But hey, dog, we don't go out here talking about people. We just keep quiet and see. Hey, just keep quiet. Text Chief, your boy.
Man, we don't talk too much. We are all working, man. At the end of the day, bro, what's important is working. But one thing I'll say, yeah,
they should understand that we had a relationship back then. As soon as business departs, also everything departs. Because, like, it wouldn't make any sense. like we became part because of what made us join forces. Besides that,
100%.
yeah.
Also, like it's just one of those things that you wish everyone well, bruh. If I see you, if I see that there's something I can help you with, I'll help you. There's no beef, bruh. There's no beef. It's just that we're all working towards different things goals right now, and there's no big deal there. There's no big.
Yeah, I ain't no hate. Because now you hating?
Never, bro. Bro, at the end of the day, everyone has their own journey and their own visions and own paths, bro. It doesn't make us bad people for wanting different things in life. You know what I'm trying to say? Like in the beginning, the vision might have been like, all right, we all want to be rich. That's perfect. Now that everyone has
No,
some sort of
no.
money.
One of the things I feel like one of the things that becomes a problem, it's money, man. You know, in any business I've seen, when there's too much money, the problem starts. People start seeing that, man, when there's too much money coming in and too much influence, everyone wants to shine too much now. You're already shining, man. It's your own establishment. So I don't see the need of you wanting to shine over much. You're already shining. We understand it's your establishment. So relax.
But bro, at the end of the day, money doesn't change you. Money enhances you. So if you were a shitty person before and you become rich, you're just gonna be an extra shitty person.
Yeah.
You get what I'm saying? So if
One
you were
thing I
good,
you see
if you
what you
were a
just
good
said
and
right
nice person and you wanted to give to people but you couldn't, the minute you become rich, that's what you're gonna do because now you can help. You know what I'm trying to say? But
Yeah.
if you the whole time were a
So do
selfish
you
person
think
that wanted,
do you think Donald Trump was always a funny guy?
yeah, 100%, dog. That guy's been real since day one.
Do you know something crazy, ne? This is something crazy. My aunt, ne, was working at Trump's construction, whatever. And I'm realizing, I realized when Donald Trump became the president that it was actually one of his companies, which was in South Africa. That company, if you can even check it, said Charlestown in KZN. I was like, fuck. That guy is a billionaire in the United States. He has a company in South Africa that my aunt was working for. I'm like, damn, bro. Because she was just an admin. So she would just type down how many sitinas were made. You see the bricks and whatsoever. I'm like, and those bricks are written Trump. I'm like, that guy is a billionaire in USA making money in South Africa. We should do that with Zimbabwe as well.
Yo,
That kills
People
me.
are saying stay away from consummate. What's happening? Hey, where's Allah? Consummate,